morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is for you. So this is where we're starting off. I'm Gifty Paradise, welcome. So hairstylist confession, I take up to 4 or 7 wigs depending on what kind of trip I'm going on, and I change my hair. So I'm going to show you guys the behind the scene of picking my hair, picking my outfit, and also some safety precaution when you're traveling within this coronavirus time. So I'm definitely taking her. Super cute is this chocolate brown with some caramel highlights in the front side part. I'm definitely taking her. This brown, beautiful. I'm gonna take this honey color crimped, and then I'm gonna take this red cute The first thing I start off doing is actually packing the wigs and putting it into a bag. After I've already selected the hair that I want to bring with me, I put it in the bag, then I will put it into my suitcase. I do actually coordinate like my outfit and everything together, but right now I'm literally just packing, trying to make sure I have everything in the right space. I don't like to pack too much stuff, so I only pack exactly what I need. So as of right now, I'm just putting my wigs within the bag. I'm putting all 4 of them in that bag. I put 2 to a bag just so it doesn't crease or get messed up. So I've already placed out what I'm gonna be wearing with each of the looks. This is my right here. So this would be my daytime outfit, nighttime, and then just in case I don't like the other option, I'll switch it to that. And that's all I'm taking. I pack very light. I pack essentially what I'm gonna use, and that's it. Then I'm gonna match it with my purses down here, and right over here I'm gonna pick my shoes that I want, and then I'm gonna lay everything down and show you guys how it's gonna look. So this is my white and gold outfit. It's a white dress, gold purse, white shoes. This is my tan, cheetah tan. This is more of the color purple with the nude. And then this is the pattern with the yellow. This is just for backup, just in case. Heels, purses, everything is together. Now I'm gonna move on to finding my jewelry. Here's what I have so far. I'm keeping a lot of space on this end. I only packed my clothes there. I put in 1 pack of the hair right here, and I'm going to put the other pack on the side. Travel light, y'all. Travel smart. You don't need 1,000 different bags with you. Go right on the side. So right now, I just packed my perfume. So these are like my more luxury, expensive perfume. My Prada Hard Candy is as well, but I like to bring it with me on vacation. So I packed my Prada Hard Candy. I also packed my LV perfume, body shimmer, some body shimmer, and then my little travel size perfume as well. And I put it into this kit. Alright, so here are my essentials. My makeup and face wash. These are my mask. I bring with me at least 5 pairs of masks, tampon pad, tea, and then hand sanitizer wipes. In my medical little kit, I have Zantex, Benadryl, nasal spray, first aid antibiotics, and then chest rub, and also some Vicks cough drops. So just in case, you know, we are in coronavirus time right now, so I like to be as safe as possible. Then for my filming stuff, I bring my laptop. This is for me to put my phone and record. My SD card. This is so I can hold my camera around. I'm charging my batteries, and y'all, me being the person I am, I need this as well. This is my portable charger. I have charged it to the best battery, and this can keep my phone charged throughout the whole day once it dies. It's amazing. And I always bring my own shower gel. I hate using those people's small shower gel. So this is what we have going on right now, and then my suitcase, and we're doing good, y'all. Okay, so I actually decided to change and put a wig on. This is what I am currently rocking to go to the airport. Super excited. I'm rocking this cute short curly wig. Cover my lace because I don't feel like actually fixing my lace properly. And then, you know, my nice sweater, something really cozy because airplanes, I don't want to be cold and I don't want to be uncomfortable, so I wear something as comfortable as possible. So I'm all ready to go. Right now I'm just waiting for my friend to come pick me up, and yeah. I thought I was gonna walk out without doing my hair properly. No, this is my suitcases right here. Everything is packed. Now we are just leaving. Okay, so I'm at Delta right now. I got checked in. It's pretty empty. It's not packed at all. That is the check-in area right there. It's not packed whatsoever. It was really easy, actually. Let me turn around and show you guys while I'm talking. Alright, so you do have to wear your mask. That one, they're not playing with that. You have to wear your mask the whole time. Check-in took about like 5 minutes. It was $30 for me to check in my bag, and that's about it. Now I'm walking to the place where they, you know, do the thingy. But everything is going really good so far. Travel is safe. Not many people are here. Yeah, let's continue going on this trip. This is how security looks. The airport was so empty, y'all, like, but it was so fast for you to get through security and through everything. So it was really empty, but it is safe to travel if you have like the precautions. Make sure you bring everything with you, y'all. Be careful out here. We are in Corona season. If you're choosing to travel, just be safe as possible, okay? Thank you for watching this travel safety vlog. Stay tuned for my outfits and all the cute transformations. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you beautiful people later.